What's up everyone? Earlier this January, the market was very bullish on CCIV, but since the merger announcement, the market became less bullish on EV stocks. It will be tough for Churchill Capital IV to recover in the short term. Yet, for investors with a long-term horizon, buying its shares at or below today's market price may still be worth the risk. In my opinion, looking at CCIV's stock chart, however, it looks very much like a dead cat bounce. In my prior video on CCIV, I stated that Lucid Motors need to come up with positive news catalysts or hype to drive up its stock price actions. I still believe that Lucid has what it takes to dominate the electric vehicle space. Between having a Tesla alumni as its CEO, its proprietary battery technology, and its recent cash infusions, there are good reasons for Wall Street and Main Street investors to be very excited about this company's potential. In this video, I will share with you the timeline of the major news that could help drive up CCIV's share price. I will also share with you some of statistical data that shows April is one of the best recovery months post-election year. I will also share with you how to profit from CCIV's recent dip. So you might want to stick around for this. Swadikap, that's hello in Thai. My name is Anthony and welcome to Quantum Finance. I'm a former engineer and data analyst that have turned $50,000 into over $500,000 in 15 months. If you're new, welcome. And you're a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please note that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything I say in this video is purely for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if you want to get free stocks, be sure to click on the Weibo link below in the description or in my comment section. You'll get 2 stocks up to $1,900 per share like Google stock. Yes, our viewers have received Google stock. All you have to do is set up an account and deposit $100. Also, come join us in the Quantum Finance Patreon for our weekly watch list with buy and exit price points and other great technical analysis to help you make lots of moolah. To join, please click on the Patreon link in the description below or in my comment section. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. While in the short term, Lucid may not have enough positive ingredients of success to help its share recover in the short term. However, Lucid does have the following upcoming catalysts to reverse its course. Throughout 2021, Lucid plans to open up to 24 Lucid studios and service centers by the end of the year. This will help boost sales across USA. Before I get into that, I'd like to share with you a positive data. Statistically, the month of February and March are the worst months, while April is usually the best month of recovery post-election year. This data is taken from S&P 500 or a 50-year range from 1959 to 2009. As you can see statistically from the chart, things will get better. Thus, as we enter the month of April, the question is, could this be the beginning of a reversal for CCIV and other EV stocks? For Lucid, we're anticipating a lot of catalysts to take place during Q2. For one, President Biden's clean energy bill. This is the reintroduction of the $7,500 EV federal tax credit per car. This will definitely help boost EV sales in USA. Next is a new factory or the AMP2 to be built at Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This is all news, but this is a major catalyst as it will boost Lucid's production capacity to support global demands. Of course, not to mention the construction start of the Phase 2 expansion for the AMP1 factory in Arizona. This will allow Lucid to go from 34,000 annual capacity up to 90,000 units. As you may already be aware, that Lucid does not have its own AI Alpha autonomy self-driving software. We don't know what will happen, but there is also the possibility that it could build it from scratch in-house. Because of the cost in the billions and the fact that it takes time and tons of data in order to get it to market, there has been rumor that Lucid could partner up with Apple or other key players. This ties directly with the next rumor of the Dream Drive reveal, where we could see Lucid's first preview or presentation of its L2 self-driving capabilities. If you're unfamiliar with the autonomous self-driving levels, here's a chart that shows you the various levels. Here are the various levels from 0, where it is fully required a driver assistance, to level 5, where there are no driver's assistance required, or fully autonomous self-driving such as Google Waymo's in the Phoenix metropolitan area. Now for June, we could expect a special merger approval meeting where shareholders will have the chance to vote. Date is to be announced. Around this time, the CCIV stock ticker symbol will change to LCID. Going into July, we could expect Lucid to report its Q2 production and delivery report. This will be its first ever public report after the ticker symbol change. Around early July to mid-August, I speculate that Lucid Air Dream will be delivered to its customers. Let's just hope that there will be no more delays and that they can produce and deliver all of the 500 units or more as planned. Now, October will be a Q3 production and delivery report. Hopefully, this is an improvement from Q2 report. By Q4, most analysts expect Lucid to be the first ever car to deliver a bi-directional system to market and with over-the-air or OTA update features. The problem right now is investors off the charts irrational enthusiasm, which was primarily responsible for the price surge in CCIV stock shares. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at $21.35 today. It was down $1.67 or 7.25%. This is on a very light volume at 40% of normal trading volume. This is an indicator that there's a light conviction from the investors because of the uncertainty or choppiness in the market. So when you look at its MACD, it is still in the bearish territory and its RSI is decreasing. It is in an oversold territory. So for now, it appears to have found a support level at $21.23. On Friday, it formed a doji candlestick, which indicated a possible reversal. So we were waiting for confirmation today. However, today's candlestick failed to confirm the reversal. In matter of fact, it formed a bearish engulfing candlestick. Combine all of these indicators, I conclude that it has not yet found its bottom, so do not expect it to trade sideways or rebounce anytime soon. We shall see what it does tomorrow and the following days. If it breaks below the $21.23, it will retest the new support level at $17.37. There is a possibility that it might find the $17.37 as a new bottom. Should that be the case, I would consider purchasing call options 3 to 4 weeks out and put options 1 to 2 weeks out as an insurance. The split would be 80% call options and 20% put options. Say you bought 10 contracts. 8 contracts would be call options 3 to 4 weeks out, and 2 would be put options 1 to 2 weeks out. The money you would make with the 2 put options, if the CCIV continued to go down in the short term, would cover for the 8 call options that you would lose. And if the inverse is also true, when the 8 call options, say that if CCIV rebounds and it goes up, we're more likely to cover for the 2 put options you have lost. Now, there will be more complicated option strategies, but for the purpose of the trading ideas in this video, I want to keep it simple and something easy that other people can understand and is actionable and executable. In summary, the EV sector is not out of the woods yet, as Barron's and other analysts are saying the bubble popping is not yet over. So if you plan to buy CCIV shares or options, please tread carefully. Do not go all out aggressive, but instead consider slowly building up a bullish position while the sentiment remains lukewarm, as you already know that the timing of the market is very difficult, if not nearly impossible. Also consider its valuation is still very frothy. This is based on its pro forma valuation. However, I suspect that widespread confidence on Lucid living up to expectation could prevent this stock from falling further to $10 per share. So most likely, the $17 could be the bottom. But I will wait as we enter April, as I do anticipate to see more positive news or hype to come out, and we could see CCIV shares try to recover again. If you like the technical analysis like this, especially with my entry and exit points along with the probability percentage, make sure to join our Quantum Finance Patreon page. Here's what some of our members are saying. Special thanks and shout out to Adam, Sawana, and Steve. Adam Brown stated, quote, "Great call. I've been making lots of moolah with this swing," quote. Sawana Mason Singh said, quote, "Thanks, I have learned a lot. I wish I would have joined earlier. It would have saved me thousands from making mistakes on investing," unquote. And lastly, Steve Berman stated, quote, "Anthony, this is ideal information, especially for a beginner like myself. Best channel on YouTube by far," unquote. So there you have it. If you find the video of value and you have not already done so, please like and share the video. Please also hit the sub button and the alert bell. Thank you, and let's go make lots of moolah.